Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, you're welcome back to class. And today is the day 35 of our Excel work hour, where we are going to be learning another function in our Microsoft Excel. So, in case you're just joining us, welcome to our YouTube channel, Learn with Corey. So, this is a class we've embarked on since August 1st, where we've been learning different Excel functions from August 1st till today. So, and today is going to be the day 35 of the class. So, in case you're just joining us, you can just go to the YouTube channel Learn with Kobe, check the playlist Excel WorkHour, where you're going to find all the previous videos there. You can always watch it. So, my name is Kobe ACG. I'm a data analyst and I'm also a data analysis trainer. So, without wasting much of our time, what we want to talk about today is just one of the functions that we use in identifying if we have a character in our cell or we don't. What's that function? It's called is blank. So what does it return? It returns Boolean's value. So it returns either true or false. So we use the function is blank. That means we are asking our Excel that is this particular cell blank? If it is blank, it's going to return true. And if it is not blank, it's going to return false. Now let's get started. We say we have equals to is blank. I click on this and say enter. Exactly, you can see false. Now let me go like this. You can see this one is blank, so it's giving me 2. Blank is giving me 2. Blank is giving me 2. Blank is giving me 2. Now, what if I have space? What happened is showing false. Why? Because we've said from the beginning of our class that all alphanumeric character as soon as it's character in Excel, ordinary white space, so full stop, comma, any sign at all, anything at all, any apostrophe sign at all that you inserted into your cell is going to be accepted, counted as character in Excel. So that is why when you add a space there, you can see it's giving us false. That means it is no longer blank. It contains a value. And this is actually one of the functions we use by combining with some other functions to make use of our Excel and make it more productive than just using a function. So I hope you've been able to learn something today. Hopefully, subsequently, we are going to be learning about how to be combining more than a function to make our Excel to be more productive than what it is. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice day. Bye.